Hi there! You should by now know what an uncountable noun is. A noun you can't count, either because it's too small, like sand, or it's a liquid like water. But the nouns we're focusing on today are uncountable because they are more abstract concepts. And they don't have a plural form, which can be a trap for English learners. The first word we will look at is information. That is, facts provided about someone or something. I don't know how many times I've had a student ask me for more informations, but it always needs to be kept singular, even if you think it sounds wrong. An example? There is good and bad information available on the internet. Notice that I use the singular be verb is. Verbs to use when you want information are get, gather, or obtain. The company are gathering information about their competition. And we give, provide, or share information with others. Our company provides the best information for job seekers. We can use quantifiers to show an amount or quantity. All, some, a lot of, a little, plenty of, enough, or not much information. I found a book that had a lot of information about marine mammals. And in questions or negatives, use any. Do you have any information about suitable bank accounts? Or if we want to be more specific and separate a small amount from a whole, we use a partitive expression. Piece of information is the most commonly used. That piece of information was useless. Or if you want to be very informal, that bit of information was useless. Advice. When someone offers an opinion or makes recommendations to guide your future actions or behavior. That's what advice is. Now, specific verbs we use with advice are give, offer, or provide if you're the one who has the advice, and take, follow, or seek if you are the one who wants advice. My solicitor always gives me excellent advice. A solicitor is the same as a lawyer. We use it more commonly in the UK and Australia. I always follow my doctor's advice. We can use quantifiers in the same way as we did with information. Let me give you a little friendly advice. I don't want any advice. And again, if we want to separate a small amount from the whole, we use the partitive expression piece of. You gave me several pieces of advice and they were all bad. Remember, we don't give advices. Knowledge. This is understanding of or information about a subject that you get by experience or study. It can be known by one person or by people generally, but it always stays singular. Her medical knowledge is outstanding. Verb collocations. You can acquire, gain, have, or possess knowledge. Or you can lack or have limited knowledge. Examples? For some jobs, you can gain knowledge and experience in the workplace without attending university. He lacks knowledge of the subject that he teaches. We can use the same quantifiers as with information and advice. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. I would like to help you, but I don't have any scientific knowledge. And the same goes for the partitive expression piece of. I felt sure that piece of knowledge would help enormously in my task. Now, we normally can't use the indefinite article a with an uncountable noun. Knowledge is sometimes used with a, but only in the pattern a knowledge of something. And there is usually an adjective between a and knowledge. I only have a limited knowledge of Spanish. A tour guide should have a good knowledge of the local history and culture. Okay, that's all for today. I hope it helped. Like and subscribe if it did. Thanks for watching. Bye.